Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook yams in the oven. First, select 4 to 5 medium-sized yams that feel firm and have smooth skin. You will also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This method is incredibly easy and yields wonderfully sweet, tender yams, perfect for any meal. Let's get started on this simple, satisfying recipe. Begin by washing all 4 to 5 of your yams very well under cool running water. Ensure all visible dirt is removed from their skins. Next, pat each yam thoroughly dry using a clean kitchen towel, as excess moisture can affect the roasting process. Finally, use a fork or a small knife to pierce each yam about 10 to 12 times all around its surface. This step prevents them from bursting in the oven and helps them cook evenly. Now, take your clean and pierced yams and place them on your prepared baking sheet. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil evenly over all of them. Use your hands to rub the oil thoroughly into each yam's skin, coating them completely. Then, sprinkle a generous pinch of salt over all surfaces. This enhances their natural sweetness. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it reaches the correct temperature before the yams go in. Once your oven reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully place the baking sheet with the yams inside. Bake them for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. After about 30 minutes, gently flip each yam over to ensure they brown and cook evenly on all sides. You will know they are perfectly done when a fork easily glides through the thickest part of the yam, indicating a soft and tender interior. Their skins should also look slightly caramelized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.